In this episode of Sailing Her Talmia, we go over a few projects I've been working on, and we also go up to Mast to see what's going on with my furling and my forward stay. I laminate up some new wing locker covers and install them on the boat. Refinish and recane the helm locker cover. I refinish and replace the windows of the skylight. Alright, here we are up on top of the mast. I had to hook up a Prusik knot to the top halyard for the front jib, and it looks like it had pulled off and got some bends on it, so I got to replace a section. What a view, huh? Check it out. It's awesome. My very first time up the mast, so this kind of, there's shaking in the camera, you know why. Anyways, so there's a view. This is Boot Key Marathon. Let's look at the harbor out here. It's pretty cool. All the boats being destroyed from the hurricane. That's what we have. Pretty cool. All my folks down there. How's it going? Rudy! Anyways, it's all our folks. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and we'll see you later. Bye.